That was clearly yellow. Clearly yellow. I should have time here to put my gloves on. Just relax. Better. All that rushing to go there. Wow. Second, first. I always come to a complete stop up here because I don't know. Alright. Nobody coming? Fine by me. Blinker off. If I can turn my blinker on. Second, first. Probably hitting boats. I need a boat. We are on 93, and I'm sure there's construction up there because I see a little flaggy sign up there. What are they waiting on? Oh, she's got a little Dunkin' Donuts. I'm still in neutral. Fred Flintstone in it. I got nothing. I'm out of ideas here. The lady behind me thinks I'm crazy. She's staying way back. She's like, that dude is crazy. Oh. Are we gonna go? Are we gonna go? Or no? Should've known better. There's a police officer. Come on. Stop and go, stop and go, stop and go. This is crazy. Okay, so here's the Red Horse Winery, and if you've not been to the Red Horse Winery, it is a nice, relaxing time. And they got best wine that I've had there is the Bob Golick Blackberry wine. If you guys are gonna head out, send me leave me a little comment there, and I'll meet you over there. I don't like riding in the middle. I don't like riding on that side. I like riding right here by the yellow line. In this lane. That way if something happens I can go right, I can go left if I catch it in time. But over there, I can only go left. That dude didn't want to wait, did he? Just go on that way, dude. Go ahead. Go ahead. No one saw you. It's good. You're cool. You're cool. Go ahead. Rock on. A Camaro. We're gonna follow the Camaro. That's like first gear. So what we have here is the Camaro. Look, it's black. Black. It's got a nice tail end on it. He's gonna go flying. How fast is he gonna squeal the tires? Is he gonna squeal the tires? That's the question. No. He's an old man. Oh, look at a puppy in this car. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Oh, gosh. At least I think I'm funny.